How to send, replay disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you send, replay disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. So to do it, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Before we proceed on, make sure that the application is completely up to date. If not, you want to go to your respective app store and update it. Now then, to begin with, open up your Instagram application and log into your account. As logged in, you want to go ahead and click on a DMs icon from the top of the page. And here, you'll be able to see this sort of page, right? So what you want to do is, first of all, you could actually go ahead and click on the chat page of the particular person who you want to actually send a disappearing message or video. So what you have to do is here, you want to click on this camera icon right over here, and then you could actually go ahead and take a photo. Let's say this is how it's done. Once you've actually taken a photo, you could then go ahead and make sure to see here you have this allow replay. This indicates when you actually press on it, you'll not be able to send a disappearing photos or video, but you actually do it or just click on this option and here you go, you have successfully sent it Now next, if you want to take a video, you want to do the same procedure, but you want to actually long press onto it, just like this. This is how you could go ahead and take a video, and then you want to click on a send button. You've successfully sent a photo and a video on Instagram. However, the Instagram has updated or recently updated feature known as Vanish Mode. So for that, you could also go ahead and click on the profile name, and you could go to disappearing messages. You could go and enable this, and you'll be able to send disappearing messages as well as videos, photo, all that. So that's how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.